Hello everyone, this is Sanam again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very effective Aloe-Honey Face Mask for acne and acne prone skin. Let's check out the benefits. This mask helps to remove acne scars, keeps your skin hydrated and also fade away sunburn. It takes only 2 ingredients to make the mask. First, aloe vera gel. I'm going to use Pax Molly aloe vera gel. You can extract fresh aloe vera gel also. Now I'm adding honey. I'm using Dabur honey for my mask. Then I'm taking a pot and a spoon to mix my ingredients. First, take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix the 2 ingredients. Now apply this mask all over your face. You can use this mask in your neck area also. I have acne prone skin and this mask really works on my skin. Now wait for 10 minutes. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Get a fresh and clear skin. Please comment below which DIY you want to see on my next video. If you love my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.